To create this cake topper project, you will need a Cricut Maker or Cricut Explore Air 2 and a light grip cutting mat, a glue gun and a glue pen, a tape measure, cake pop sticks, a Cricut scoring stylus and basic tool set, Cricut's craft board, glitter and coloured cardstock, and the Cricut DesignSpace app. Open the DesignSpace app and type Star Cake Topper into the search bar at the top of the screen. Select the 5-star cake topper design. Select Customize from the project pop-up located at the bottom of the screen. Once through to the canvas screen, start by deleting the 2 black stars followed by the larger 2 grey stars. To do this, click on the red cross in the top left-hand corner of the selection box. Resize the stars to your desired dimensions using the Edit menu at the bottom of the screen. Make sure the dimensions of each pair match. Open the Images menu from the toolbar at the bottom of the screen and type Hooray into the search bar at the top of the screen. Select the script Hooray image and then click Insert. Using a measuring tape, measure the diameter of your cake. Amend the size of the Hooray image to the diameter size of your cake using the Edit menu in the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. With the Hooray image still selected, open the Actions menu and use the Duplicate function to create 3 identical images. Once happy with the setup, click the Make It button. You will then be taken through to the map preview screen. Here you can view each of the mats to ensure everything is correct before cutting. Make sure your machine is switched on at this point. Once happy, click Continue. The final step before cutting is the machine setup screen. Here you will select the material you intend to cut with. If your material is not listed, select All Materials and scroll through the list, or search in the bar at the top of the screen. We cut the Hooray greeting from Cricut Craft Board. Open up the machine ready for cutting. Place the craft board on the light grip cutting mat, using the scraper tool to ensure good contact. Place the mat into the Cricut Maker, then press the flashing arrow button to load it. The machine will then begin cutting the design. Use the spatula tool from the Cricut Basic toolset to help remove the design from the cutting mat. If you're using a different weight of card to cut the stars, amend this before placing the next mat into the machine. You may also need to change the scoring tool used. We use the stylus. If necessary, trim your cardstock down to the required size. Place the cardstock onto the light grip cutting mat. Insert the scoring stylus into port A of your Cricut Maker. Place the mat into the machine to begin the score and cut. The Cricut Maker will create the score lines first, then the cut lines. Use the spatula tool to remove the star from the mat. Repeat the same process with the remaining 2 stars. Gently fold along the score lines to begin construction of the stars. Use a hot glue gun to attach a cake pop stick to the centre of the star base. Hold in place for 10 seconds to allow the glue to set. Secure the second star on top using the glue gun once more. Use a glue pen to attach each of the Hooray cutouts, one on top of the other. the glue gun to attach a cake pop stick to each end of the word. Conceal them behind vertical strokes. Place the stars and Hooray greeting into the cake.